Hello, this is Richard with Sewer Sluice. Today I'm at property address 2856 Southeast Brooklyn Street in Portland, Oregon. I'm located in the basement at the main stack here. We have a newer ABS cleanout that wires into the original cast iron pipe. This is going to be my point of access. I'm going to advance out, check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. This is a third scope done. We're going to evaluate the third opinion and evaluate the line leading to the street. Here we go. Okay, right here at 37 feet from our point of access, the line transitions over from the cast iron pipe to what appears to be terracotta clay. The transition looks good. There's no root penetration or anything, just some cobwebs in the pipe. We're going to continue on. Okay, so far in the terracotta clay, all the joints appear to be fairly flush together, nothing terribly offset or separated. There is a little bit of grout oozing through on the joints, which is common. We'll continue on. Okay, we have one little strand of root that's coming through here at 52 feet. It's extremely minor. There's no obstruction to the pipe, and the joint seems really sealed together. Once we get out to the street, we'll flush a toilet and check the flow. Okay, so we have some more grout that's oozing through here at 60 feet, and then a little tiny bit of roots coming through, penetrating on the left-hand side. I will locate that. That's a little bit more roots than the first original joint that were extremely minor, and I'll confirm whether or not this is on property or street. We'll continue on. Okay, right here at 62 feet, we have a little bit of pooling at the bottom of the flow line here, which does indicate at this time that the joint is probably sealed up. The water is not oozing out, but it is in the beginning stages of starting to separate away. I will confirm whether or not this is on property. Okay, there's a Y here coming in at 72 feet, possible party sewer. We'll locate that as well, and if a neighbor is home, I will try to get them to flush their line and try to determine whether or not this is a party system.
Could it be a closed one?
Okay, here's the main lateral at 87 feet in the street. I'm going to go ahead and pull back to where that Y is and do some locates and try to get a neighbor to flush and see if that's an active party line, and also where the minor roots are. There's one joint that's in the beginning stages of separating, and then there's some really minor roots that are in the pipe. I'll do locates and determine if that's on property or not. Okay, before I pull back, we're going to go ahead and flush a toilet just to check the flow all the way to the main and show that it's draining well. There was no standing water in the pipe, so I have a feeling it's going to drain very well and function good out to the street here. Okay, it's got excellent flow. Just like indicated on my way out, there was no standing water in the pipe, so I knew it had proper slope and grade. And for the most part, the terracotta clay was in good shape. All the joints are fairly flush. I'll go ahead and pull back. I'm going to stop the video and locate where that Y is and see if it's at the city curb and try to get the neighbor to flush and determine if this is a party line or not. Okay, so at 71 feet, this is the Y. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. We'll begin recording again after I do locates. I'm going to determine where this is and try to get a neighbor to flush. So, yeah, that's